Hello dear Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your third week's exclusive love reading. Okay, so if you are in a relationship, complicated situationship or marriage, think of a question and you will 100% get your answer. So your cards are already out, so let's see how your love life is going to be in the third week. You've got the 8 of Moons and the Hierophant. Alright, so some of you are definitely getting married, and the others of you, you've got the Postulant, the Astronomer, and the reversed Moon. So first we'll start with the good news. To some of you would be getting married, or at least your parents are pushing you to get married in the third week, right? They are talking a lot about marriage. Somewhere I see that you're very, very fearful of the outcome. You don't know how the marriage is going to be. You're very scared of how the person is going to be, how your life after marriage is going to be, right? So I do see that attachment issues with your family, and I do see that fear of stepping into unknown and completely new person. It could be that this person is completely new, it's an arranged setup for you. So I do see, yes, that marriage talks are definitely happening, or you guys are getting married in the third week of February. To others of you who are in a relationship already, and or you could be married as well, or even if you have just started seeing someone, I do see that you're overthinking a lot in this relationship. And why? Because, see, according to you, you're a good person, right? Or maybe this person also sees you like that, somebody who's good natured, somebody they can take home, meet their families, or somebody who will also be there for them when they are sick, or take care of them. But I do see a lot of lies in this picture, right? It could be that you are not being honest to your partner, or your partner is not being honest to you. I do see lies. I do see instability and fluctuation in your relationship. Like one day it's very good and one day it's really, really bad, right? One day it's all hunky dory, one day it's full of lies and cheating. So I do see that for some of you, the third week is not going to be as smooth as you might expect. It's going to be like constant fluctuation in your relationship. You have to be very careful because the moon reversed, which I usually don't take, has come out in the reading, and I don't know how. And it actually means, uh, lies and instability in relationship, fluctuation in the relationship, and not a very happy energy. So yes, if your intuition is telling you that somebody is lying to you, that somebody is cheating on you, then there are chances that this might be true, because moon is also a card of intuition. So listen to your intuition around this time before jumping into a relationship or marriage. So if you think that there's a problem with the person, please do not jump into it and think about it. And I do see that your intuition is telling you something which is also making you overthink a lot about this person or your decision, and you could be losing a lot of sleep because of it as well. Yes, you have to listen to your intuition, you have to pay attention. Even if it's a marriage option that you've got and you're not very sure of it, think about it again. Fear of, a new life, fear of a new marriage is scary, which is a separate thing. But intuition telling you that there's something wrong with the person or there's something wrong with this relationship is a separate thing. So please try to make a proper decision. Come out of your fear if it's a normal fear, but if your intuition is telling you there's something wrong, then please double check, cross check, do a background check, and then only make a decision. Okay, tough week for you guys Virgos, but make a wise decision. I'm sure you will listen to your intuition. Also follow your dreams. If your dreams are telling you something, it could be a message from the universe telling you what the situation is. All right, hang in there, it's going to get better, I'm sure. But this is going to be a trouble week for some of you. It is going to last from 17th till the 23rd of February. So you guys, if you have any question in your mind, if you think you still have questions, or after this reading also, because this is a general reading, you can always book a personal reading with me, whether that's about your love life, career, health, family, anything. You can email me at asthasharma842 @gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram channel, the Moksha Tarot. Okay, if you guys resonated with my reading, if you think yes, this is exactly what is happening in my life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.